As a busy mom of three, I am always needing something to carry water around in, whether I'm heading out in the car or going to a kid's soccer game. I need to make sure that I'm hydrated so that I can get through everything in the day that a busy mom needs to get through. So I purchased two different sizes of the simple modern Trek Tumbler, and I want to show you the differences and what I like about these. So first off, I think the biggest difference is the size, right? This is the 30 ounce versus this is the 40 ounce. Now, I bought one of each because, depending on what I'm doing that day, really depends on how much water I need, right? So you can see the difference that there really is a pretty big 10-ounce difference. Again, 30 ounces and 40 ounces. So you can get one of each like how I did, or you can pick and choose. This one's a little bit larger to carry around. This one's a little bit smaller, but ultimately at the end of the day, they all have the same features. One of which is that they all fit in a cup holder, whether it's a car or even my kid's car seat. This is small. The bottom is smaller to ensure that it can always fit in a cup holder. So I love that. Each one comes with a straw, which is great, and then a twistable top. You can see inside there, it's nice and insulated. I have left ice cubes in here overnight, and the water is still cold in the morning. So it really does this job. It's very insulated in there. And I like that there are basically four different ways that you can close this in order to position the straw so that it's perfect no matter how you like to carry your water. So I like to position it so that I can carry it with my right hand because I'm a righty, and then I can very easily drink out of it. So overall, I would highly, highly recommend these simple modern Trek tumblers if you're looking for a good solution to not only have a drink on the go, but to make sure that it stays cold when you want it to, fits in your car properly, stays nice and insulated, and it also is pretty spill proof. This gets knocked over quite a bit, and I almost never lose any liquid out of there. So highly recommend these simple modern Trek tumblers, whether you're looking for a 30 ounce or a 40 ounce, they both work great.